Guys, welcome back to our channel, and today was 26th video of learning English online. So guys, yesterday I read this word Power Mad Easy book, so today I also read this book and show you in camera. So guys, let's get started. So firstly we start the page from yesterday I read, and so start there and then finding those page, and we are start here. How to avoid being a purist. So I show you in the camera. So let's get started. How to avoid being a purist. Life, as you know, doubt, 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 realize is complicated enough these days, yet puristic textbook and English teacher with puristic idea are striving to make to still more complicated their contribution. Contribution to the complexity complexity of modern living is the repeated claim repeated claim that many of the natural, carefree and popular expression that most of us use every day are bad English, incorrect grammar, vulgar or illiterate. Vulgar, vulgar, vulgar or illiterate, illiterate, illiterate. In truth, many of the forms restriction, restriction and shalt note of academic academic grammar are not outmoded. Students in my grammar classes are somewhat nonplussed when they discover the correctness, correctness is not determined, determined by textbook rules and cannot be enforced, enforced by school teacher edict. They invariable ask, ain't you going to draw the line somewhere? It is neither necessary or possible of any one person to draw the line. That is done, and quite effectively, effectively by the people themselves, themselves, by the millions, millions of educated, educated people throughout throughout the nation, nation. Of course, certain expression may be considered incorrect or illiterate or bad grammar, not because they violate puristic rule, but only because they are rarely, if ever, used by educated speaker. Correctness, correctness in short is determined by current educated uses. The following notes on current trend in modern uses are intended Uses, U-S-A-G-E, uses are intended, I-N-T-E-N-D-E-D, intended to help you come to decision, decision, decision about certain con- controversial controversial expressions ex expressions expressions. As you read each sentence, pay particular attention, particular, 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 attention, attention to the italicized, italicized word or words. Does the usage square with your own language pattern? Would you be willing to phrase phrase your thoughts in such terms, decide whether the sentence is right or. Now read next page. The previous page was end here, so wrong. Then compare your conclusion, 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 the conclusion with the options, opinions, opinions, not option, opinions given after the test yourself. Let's now walk any further right now. FURTHER, further right now. Right or wrong, no idea. Some people admit that their principal principal goal in life is to become wealthy. Right, wrong, no idea. What a nice thing to say. He is pretty stick today. I feel awfully stick. Awfully, awfully stick. Are you going to invite Doris and I to your party? Let's not walk any further right now. Right, in the 19th century, when professional grammarians, professional, professional, professional grammarians, grammarians attempted attempted the Latinized English grammar, Latinized English grammar, grammar, an artificial distinction, artificial, artificial distinction, distinction was down between further and future to with further reference refers to space. Further means to a greater extent or additional. Greater, greater, extent, extent, or additional, additional. Today, as a result, many teachers who are still under the forbidding Bidding, forbidding, forbidding, forbidding. Influence, influence, influence of 19th century, ninetwents, 19th century, century. Restriction, insist, restriction, restriction. Insist, insist that it is incorrect to use one word for the other. Incorrect, 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 to use the word of other. To check on current attitude toward this distinction. Attitude, attitudes, toward, towards. This distinction, distinction, distinction. I spent the test. Sentence, sentence, sentence. Above of the number of dictionary, dictionary, dictionary edition, editor, editors, not edition, editors. Authors, 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 authors. And professors, professors, professors of English. Requesting, requesting, requesting their opinion, opinion of the acceptability, acceptability of further, in reference to actual distance of further, further, in reference, reference to actual, actual distance, distance. 60 out of 87 professors, over 2/3 of those responding, 60 responding, not responding, professors, professors, over 2/3 of those responding, responding, accepted the uses without qualification, accepted the uses without qualification, qualification, qualification of 12 dictionary edition, 12 dictionary edition, 12 dictionary, dictionary edition, editors, dictionary editors, not edition, editors. 11 accepted further, accepted further. And in the case of the authors, authors, 13 out of 23 accepted the word is used. The conclusion, and conclusion to be drawn, drawn from these. This is applied, applied to spatial distance, spatial distance, spatial, TANC distance, further, future, FURTHER future, and further, FARTHER further, are interchangeable, interchangeable, interchangeable. Some people admit that their principal goal in life is to become wealthy. Wrong. In speech, you can get principal and principal confused as you like, and no one will ever know the difference. Both words are pronounced PRONOUNCED, pronounced identically, IDENTICALLY, identically in writing. However, your spelling will give you away. So guys, today's video end here. The time was very long of this video, so please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.